Hey guys, Vic from Airvol here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble and assemble your new AirTouch F30i mask. So the AirTouch F30i is of course the newest mask in the market by ResMed. It's a hybrid full face mask that goes under your nose and over your mouth, featuring a fabric wrapped frame and cushion, making it very popular. Now, while the AirTouch N20 and F20 are memory foam, this is actually a fabric material, and you can in fact wash it and clean it like a regular silicone mask, and it has the similar level of durability as well. Okay, so to disassemble this, if you want to clean your mask, you can undo the magnetic clips on the bottom part over here. Okay, the top parts of the headgear are just attached by Velcro, so if you undo the Velcro, you can pull it right out from its loop, and you can repeat that process on the other side, and now your headgear has been removed from your mask. The top tubing attachment swivel piece has ejector clips on the side, so you can just pinch it and then that elbow comes right out as well. And then you can actually separate the face piece from the frame of the mask from the arm handles on the side. So you can literally just pull those clips right out and it just snaps right off. So now you have the face piece, but you're not done just yet. The AirTouch F30i's diffuser for the exhaust can pop right out of the mask as well. So usually I just push it out from the inside of the mask, and now you have totally disassembled your AirTouch F30i. You would do this for cleaning purposes, or if you were maybe just changing components of your mask. Okay, and now I'll show you how to put this all back together as well. So we can start back on the cushion. So you're going to notice for the diffuser, there are grooves on the top and the bottom of the diffuser, and there are also grooves or notches on the cushion itself that match those grooves. So you just want to line them up when you're putting it in, and I would put it in from the inside of the cushion piece. So you're going to line them up, and basically you're just going to push that diffuser piece from the in to the out of the cushion. You're going to make sure it's lined up. If it isn't, you do have a bit of room to kind of turn that diffuser piece so it's lined up on there, and now the diffuser is on the cushion. You can then attach the side frames, and there is a notch over there. I usually go in with the notch, and then you can press it in to snap it in on this side, and nice and easy, it snaps in on the other side as well, so your frame is on. The elbow tubing attachment just presses onto the top, and you'll hear a little click there as well. And then last but not least, you can secure your headgear. So always you can check the back of the headgear. The ResMed brand should be upright. So when it's upright, those bottom straps are for the magnetic clips, and the top straps are for the loops on the frame of your headgear. Okay, so you're gonna take each top strap and go from the inside of the headgear and pull it out, and then tape it on back to the headgear itself. And then you're going to repeat that process on the other side from the inside of the frame and tape it back onto the headgear. So now you have your headgear attached, you attach your magnetic clips, and you're basically all set. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this video. You can hit that like and subscribe button, comment below for any suggestions on future videos. Stay tuned.